When students go out into the world, they aren't going to only wear one hat. And I don't know of any other program where they can get that boots on the ground, dirt under the fingernails experience in such an applicable way. La Maison Rouge is one of the most sort of well-known places on the island. It is commonly associated with Galveston's very own pirate, Jean Lafitte, and it is supposedly the site of his house when he had his pirate camp in Galveston in the early 1800s.
I've always loved pirates, so being able to do real meaningful field work that is the same as it will be in the job field is beyond amazing.
I've never done anything like this before, and having like this ability to hold history in your hands is something that it gives me chills. It's the most exhilarating thing. I'm traveling throughout history.